Stop.
It looks like there's a car on fire.
Oh my God, look at that.
Not good. Not good. That's definitely a vehicle burning up ahead. Nice.
Oh my God, is that that's a fucking 18-wheeler, isn't it?
Crap. Sure as hell is. Oh my God.
Maybe we are too close to that.
Whoa.
I want to get the fuck out of here, I'll tell you that.
Shit. Wow, that is horrible. Something's gonna just blow up.
Let's get the fuck away from that thing. I'm not even joking. I'm not joking. Fuck that thing, man. That thing fucking blows up. If that thing exploded, if the tanks on that fucking thing explode,